When you hear Epson, you don't think eInk at all. You think printers, copiers, scanners, and to a lesser extent, some computer hardware like routers and laser projectors. But you might be interested to know that back in 2017-2018, they released this. This is the Epson Smart Canvas. This is a watch that was made for the Japanese market primarily, and it does have an eInk screen. The box is very long and slender, and it slides out just like this. It reveals a very long kind of laid out style rather than it curled up into a square. You open it up, and you get some details. This is the flower model. Now, something you should know about the Canvas is that they never technically made any normal version. They have things like flower, origami, Gudetama, Disney, Hello Kitty, Mickey Mouse, Twin Little Stars, etc. They don't really have anything plain. There's some documentation inside, online registration, and some information on how to use the device. If you don't read Japanese, you can always use Google Lens or visit goodereader.com because we will be selling these. Here it is in its entirety. So you pull it out like this, just like that. And as you pull it out, you see it instantly kind of refreshes and starts up there. This is a very nice leather band. It is the flower version, as you can see here, so you do get the rose gold outside and you do get the flower band with the rose gold clips there. You do have two buttons, one on the left, one on the right, and the back says water resistant 3-bar. I'm not sure what that is. It could be the Japanese equivalent to IPX, although IPX is an international standard. You do have some black suede on the back with some white leather underneath there. There isn't much else that comes in the box, but you can do a QR code check right there for more information, and it does say that you can push the button on the side to start it right there. So it is all very simple. Now, the thing about these is that for most of the world, they are discontinued, but the thing about Good eReader and why we have so many international connections is because we branch out and we keep things alive. The Epson Smartwatch running eInk is fully available through goodereader.com. You can go buy it right now on our store. We have a couple styles available, and we're talking to Epson still to get some overstock and make sure we can keep selling these. So this is basically everything that comes in the box. It is very simplistic. You have just the watch, the box, and some light documentation. If you want to buy this, head over to goodereader.com/blog/shop, or keep checking into youtube.com/goodereader to see a full review on this and everything it has to offer. For a unboxing of the Epson Smart Canvas eInk screen, this is Peter.